We have come over here to explain you about the topic extension board with 6 sockets. So let us show you the socket for extension board first. This is the extension board. Now you all might have.
क्या बोलेगा?
Hello everyone. Today we have come over here to explain you about the topic extension light board. So this is the model. Now you all might have seen this in your homes a lot, but have you ever wondered how it works? To understand about this topic, let's divide it into 4 parts. At first, the bulb.
So, at first, what is bulb? A light bulb is a device which converts electrical energy into light energy. And as we know, the bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. But the truth is a bit more complex. Before Thomas perfected the development of bulbs, many more scientists like Joseph Swan, Humphrey Davy, and Alexandria Cruto have contributed in the development of making bulbs. And so we have 4 types of bulbs. First is incandescent bulb, and LED bulb, and halogen bulb, and fluorescent or CFL bulb. So incandescent bulb uses heated tungsten and filament to emit light, and halogen bulb is the modified version of incandescent bulb, and LED bulb uses semiconductor to emit light. And so in bulb, the main topic is we have the most important topic, that is filament. Filament is a thin, slender-like structure, and in filament we have 2 electrode rods, that is live terminal and neutral terminal. So live terminal connects the wires part, and the neutral terminal connects the outer threaded part. So now we have wires by Shivani.
So before explaining on wires, let's know about its discovery. First of all, Alessandro Volta was the first to study electricity, and his work helped lay the foundation of electrical wires. Second, Michael Faraday was the one to explain how electricity flows through the wires, and this helped in the development of electrical wiring.
So good morning to everyone. What is wires? A wire is a long, thin strand of metal or other conductive materials used to carry electrical current. There are several types of wire. There are copper wires, aluminum wires, and insulated wires, and electrical wires.
Thank you, Sigani, for explaining about the wires. Now, let's know about the switch. So, first of all, switch was discovered by John Henry Holmes in the year 1884.
So, what is the switch? A simple device used either breaks electric circuit or complete it. What work does it do? A switch responds to an electronic force to an What does do it? A switch responds to an electronic force to a mechanical change and electric signal. Switches are usually to turn electric circuit on or off, and to switch electric circuit.
Thank you, Smita, for explaining about the switch. Now, after combining these 3 components, we get the extension light board. So, about its advantages and disadvantages. First, safety. It helps prevent electrical accidents by controlling the power. Second, control. Allows easy management of electricity in different areas, and protection circuits from overload and damage. As it has some advantages, it also has some disadvantages, like complex. It needs proper setup and maintenance. Second, expensive. Can be costly to install and repair. And third, takes space. It needs room to be installed. Now, let's see how the model works.
God.
Sexy.
Okay, nice. So then now.
Simple question. I will ask simple question based on your topic you have. So first question to whom? Huh? What is this filament? And what is filament?
Filament is a thin wire type structure.
You know with what metal? What metal is made of this? Filament is made of what metal? This question come in class 10. Anyone say? What? Tungsten. Tungsten. You know why? Because tungsten. Why tungsten is used as a filament, Nahupal? Because tungsten can bear a lot of heat. Its melting and boiling point is very high. That is why tungsten is used as a filament. Alright. One more question. It's a very traditional bulb, right? Nowadays we don't use it in our houses. Earlier we used to use this one. Why? You know why we are not using nowadays?
बहुत इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए इसमें वोल्टेज बहुत ज़्यादा लेता है
Same voltage.
It takes more electrical charges.
वोल्टेज
Power. It consumes more energy. It will more power. It is 100 watt. One valve is equivalent to 100 watt. But nowadays in our home, the CFL or the LED bulb is 9 watt. 9 watt means you can glow 10 bulbs instead of glowing one bulb of such time. Huh? You know the gas present inside the bulb? Gas present inside the bulb? Okay, whatever it is, we have put an effort. Very good. Give it up.